In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download history on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your journey, having access to historical data can be crucial for planning future trades and analyzing market trends. So let's get started. First, ensure that you have the MetaTrader 5 application installed on your computer. Launch the application by double-clicking the icon. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download it from MetaTrader's official website. Once you have the application open, you're ready to move on to the next step. You're going to use a handy shortcut key combination to access the necessary menu. Press the Ctrl key and the U key simultaneously. This will open up a window called the Symbols window. In this window, you'll find a list of financial instruments available for trading. But our focus will be on accessing historical trade data. Once the Symbols window is open, you'll need to locate and click on the Ticks tab. This tab is dedicated to tick data, which records every change in price as a tick and provides an extremely detailed view of market behavior. Understanding tick data is invaluable, as it not only shows the direction and volume of trades, but also helps you fine-tune your trading strategies based on the tiniest market movements. Now, look for the date range options within the Ticks tab. This is where you can select the specific period for which you want to download historical data. You can set a specific date or year range depending on your analytical needs. Choose a time frame that is most relevant to your current trading strategy or long-term planning. Once you have selected your desired date range, click on the Request button. MetaTrader 5 will then retrieve and display the data according to your specified parameters. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of data you are requesting. So be patient as the platform compiles all the necessary information. After MetaTrader 5 has displayed your requested data, you have the option to export this tick data. This can be particularly useful if you want to analyze the data in another software tool or share it with colleagues. To complete this export, follow the instructions within MetaTrader for exporting data. Align your export settings with your analysis tool requirements to ensure data compatibility. By the end of these steps, you should have successfully downloaded and exported the tick history on your MetaTrader 5 platform. This information is vital for evaluating past market trends and optimizing your trading strategies. That's all for today. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a more informed trader. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!